At Superior Tool, we are all about simpler ways to handle home repairs, what works, and how to get stuff done. Superior's just introduced a half-inch long-reach nipple extractor. Say, for example, you're working on pipe, galvanized black pipe, gas lines, whatever, and as you're loosening or tightening the pipe, the threads break off in the coupling. You're searching all over the internet, how do I get that out of there? It's locked in and I have to replace the pipe. Well, with Superior Tool, our long reach extractor, you place it into the broken pipe thread, tap it a few times to set the teeth, and then wrench it out in a counterclockwise motion. And there you have it, the thread is removed, ready to replace your pipe. With Superior Tool, it really is that easy.